So have you ever been on a photo shoot and had this happen? Sometimes it happens when you're shooting in landscape and then you tilt your tripod head to go to portrait and you find out your base plate gets a little loose. Well, here's a tip for the day. Pocket change. In this case, I'm using a quarter, and you can see I can tighten it right up. And a lot of times you'll see, like on this one, in that slot where it's got that hole in the center, because this is hollowed out for a smaller size screw to be inserted. The rounded edge of change, pocket change, quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies, they fit in there into that slot real nice. And in some cases, you may have one where the slot's real long. I know on some of my GoPro items, the slot's real long. So you'd have to have a really big screwdriver to get to fit in there. Plus, you got to haul a screwdriver around with you all the time. Well, if your plate should get loose and that screw needs to be tightened up, you can just pull out pocket change. And here I'm showing you a quarter, nickel, dime, and we'll have a penny here at the end. But you can just use them to tighten right up and you're good to go. I prefer a quarter because it's easier to hang on to. But anyway, just thought I'd share this tip with you. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep providing this type of content. And have a good day.